Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power mirrors, fog lights, luggage rack, outside temperature gauge, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel, audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, adjustable headrests, paddle shifters, auto express down window. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.